All right, y'all. Y'all have been listening to me talk about this 2 hour income and the digital marketing blueprint. And some of you have had questions about how is your system automated 24/7 and what exactly is it that you do. So let's talk about it. So to start off, this is my website, 2hourincome.com. When you come to this page, it tells you to enter your email below to get more info and grab your free copy of my 10K in 30 days guide. And it also tells you that you're going to get, access to our blueprint, the information about the blueprint. So let's just throw an email in here real quick so we can see. Click on that button and it brings you to this page.
Congratulations.
So let's see if we can. There we go. We're just going to pause that. So once you get to this thank you page, watch this video. It's really important. It gives you some information. This is our founder. And then it goes down. There's some testimonials if you want to read. Ms. Deborah Scott got $1,500 in 3 days. Another $2,000 day and 2001 day. Daryl was making $33.50 a day. $28,000 this month. The earning potential is insane with this blueprint. So once you watch all of this, you click on this button, and this is the money page is what I call this. So this is going to tell you everything that you need to know about the daily pay blueprint or digital marketing blueprint. So you come down here and it tells you, kind of gives you 3 simple steps to how you do it. This picture of me and my hubby and our kiddos and our story while we got started in this business. And then as you get on down here, it lets you know we have a very supportive online business community. And it literally offers you a step-by-step process to help you build a business with full potential for automation. It has live training videos every week, just hundreds, if not thousands of resources that are right there for you anytime you need them. So you keep scrolling down and it starts telling you about the different blueprint options. We actually have 4 different digital marketing blueprints. We have the Legacy Builders program, which is by far our most popular and our largest. That is literally everything, including the kitchen sink. Then we have a digital mastery blueprint, a passive daily pay blueprint, and a launchpad blueprint. And all of those are smaller than that Legacy Builders, and they're still great places to start if you don't have the resources available to start in the Legacy Builder program. The great thing about the other programs is you can upgrade at any time. So it'll tell you, so we got Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay, Digital Mastery, and Legacy Builders. You come down and this is going to tell you what is inside each of the blueprints. Okay, so it's crazy the amount of even in this basic one, it gives you the launch kit for your business. It explains what the business is here, and then automate your online business for time freedom. This is going to help you set up your automated system. Now let's pause for a second. That automated system is your System.io. And basically what happens is once they put their email in the website, they give us this campaign right here, and you just go in and edit it to personalize it to you. And then it sends it out automatically on a schedule to people. This is where we do our training. I'm not going to stay in here long because I don't want to give away trade secrets, but it's literally every single thing that you need to know. And they, like on these setup things, like how to create the account, Stripe, Square, whichever one you decide to use, it tells you click by click. There's a video that walks you through setting up the entire thing. This is just the first page, you guys. There's still 3 more pages of training and information for you in this. So let's get back down here. So you get that. And then the next thing, it tells you how to set up your social media, how to post free ads on the internet. That's one of the income generating activities that we do during our 2-hour workday. It gives you free ad sites that you can post on. It gives you a list of ads that convert, and then how to create your own ads, and then how to grow your YouTube channel with the free ads method. And then it also has additional social media training, how to grow your following, how to turn followers into customers, step-by-step tech tutorials. So this right here has everything you need to know to launch your online business and start making money today. To give you guys an idea, it takes about 2 days to get everything set up. And the only reason why for that is because when you buy your domain name, you have to connect the DNS records to this website that you're looking at. I know that sounds like Greek, but it tells you literally how to do it step by step. And that can take up to 48 hours. So we'll say 2 days. Guys, after I set my funnel up, got through the first 48 hours, got everything set up, I made money the very first day I was online. The very first day I made money. I made enough money to give me back what I invested and then some the very first day that I was online, just by following the blueprint step by step. So you can definitely make money. And then it goes down. We'll keep moving because I'm not trying to have this be a long video. It goes down to the next blueprint. Is everything included in the first blueprint, plus all of these additional things, additional training and step-by-step trainings. Same thing here, digital mastery, everything from the first two, plus all of this is included. And then lastly, the legacy builder has everything from the first three, plus you get all of this, how to create your own digital product or program and market it using our blueprint, course creation, course or program, scaling your business, how to become an affiliate, just all kinds of things in there. And then there's more. Okay. So no matter which of the 4 blueprints that you guys decide to do, you get these bonuses. All 6 of these bonuses right here are included with your blueprint. So, I mean, this by itself, the Canva Crash Course, Invisible Empire for Faceless Marketing, if you guys don't want to be face-to-face, 30-day market strategy growth plan. That's a really great one. 200 digital product ideas. So if you're wanting to create a product to create yourself some passive residual income, that's a good way to do it. And they give you plenty of ideas there. You keep going down, and then it goes into the prices for each one. It starts with this one. You can pay it in full, or you can use like Klarna or Afterpay and pay it out in 4 payments. But this one is 4 streams of income. So what that means is when you purchase the Legacy Builder program, you have access to sell the Legacy Builder program plus the other 3 programs. You have master resale rights for all 4 programs. So with this one, you make the most amount of money. If you choose, say, digital mastery, you have 3 income streams. So you get to sell the digital mastery program and then the 2 that are below it. Same thing with passive daily pay blueprint. You get to sell that one plus the Launchpad. Or if you do the Launchpad program, then you have master resale rights for the Launchpad program. And no matter, like, if you start on the Launchpad, daily pay, or digital mastery, you can upgrade. If you get started and you're like, I want more income streams, I want more opportunities to offer people more options to earn money online, you can upgrade at any time. You just get back with me and I send you an upgrade link. Like I said, all of these you can get started on the payment plan by doing Klarna and Afterpay if you don't want to pay, or there's Affirm too if you don't want to pay it in full. So that's really helpful. The great thing about this is it's 100% profit, you guys. That means that if you come over here and you buy this $100 Launchpad program, it's $100. Well, let's say I bought it from you. You would get all of the $100. It's not split between anybody. It doesn't send me any money. Like, people buying from you does not benefit me at all. because we each own our own online business. This isn't a multi-level marketing thing. It's not network marketing. It's not like a direct sales company where, the person or the company gets 70% while you only get 30%. It's 100% profit business. So that means, say on the Launchpad program, all you need is one customer and you've made your money back. 2 customers and you're in profit mode. And on top of that, there is no monthly overhead. The only other investment that you have to do is you pay $29 for your website setup fee. Now, this is a one-time fee. It's not monthly, it's not annually, it's one time, one and done. You pay that fee, you get access to all your websites and your training, and you're done. And that is the same price for all 4 of the blueprints, so it doesn't change. So here's some more testimonials down through here. And then it also has these buttons to, so you don't have to scroll all the way back up to find it. So yeah, that is basically what we do. Now, this automated, this part right here that we're looking at, this is fully automated. So once you put your email on that first box, and you go to the first page and then this page, it is automated from here on out. So if you click a button, let's say we're going to do this one, you fill all of this out. If you're going to pay with PayPal, or if not, then you can click to pay through Stripe or Square. You do this is all automated. Once you do this, then it's going to take you to pay for your website fee. Once you pay your website fee, you have access to start immediately. So that is how our system is automated. That means that when I go to bed, since it's 4:00 in the morning and I go lay down to take me a nap, so I'm not dying today, if you come and sign up, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to make sure that you get some kind of welcome to a team email. I don't have to get you set up with your training. It's going to do it automatically. And basically, you don't need my help. If we're being honest, a lot of companies, you need they call it an upline, or your team lead's help in order to start building your business and to start working and to understand you literally don't need anybody. That is how thorough our step-by-step digital marketing blueprint is you literally don't need anybody to do it. Like, you can do it all by yourself and never talk to anybody and know exactly what you need to do. So that is one of the biggest benefits of this, is because you can make money 24/7 in your sleep. We have these campaigns that go out to your sales funnel. They also, all of these websites are pre-built for you. So the capture page that we saw, which was, let's get back over here. The capture page was where we landed. I didn't have to build any of this. Okay. I just customized it to look the way I wanted it to look. And it tells you step by step in the video how to do it. So it's literally, if you can read and you can click a mouse, or you can even do it on your phone or your tablet. I mean, it's probably better on a larger screen so you can see, but if you can do any of that, you can do this. So if you guys have any questions, I know I just threw a lot at you, but I feel like it's really important for you to know what it is that you're getting with this online business. And the main takeaways that you need to take from this is that it is 100% automated, and it is 100% profit. And the 2-hour workday, which is lined out in that training that I was showing you, teaches you how to do income generating activities for 2 hours a day in order to earn money. Now, when I say for 2 hours a day, I don't mean like, oh, my desk, I'm going to rearrange and, let's do that. No, it's income generating activities. That's copying and pasting your free ads. That's creating content for your social media platforms, whether you're doing 1, 2, 3, all of them, however many. That is responding to your comments and your emails and engaging with people, because connection is currency. People have to know you, like you, and trust you before they're going to want to buy or interact with you at all in that way. So you have to be transparent and you have to be real to make that connection with people. So I hope this helps, kind of gives you an idea of what I do. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. You can also send me a direct message on TikTok or Instagram. I try to get in there. I also get a lot of spam and bot messages. So if I don't respond right away, because it takes me a little bit to get through them, I promise I'll get back to you. Probably commenting on the video would be the fastest way for me to see it. So again, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm sorry I got long-winded. I hope this helps, and you guys have a great night.